Welcome to the webinar. Please stand by. The webinar will begin shortly. Please remain on the line. The webinar will begin shortly. Please remain on the line. The webinar will begin shortly. Please remain on the line. The webinar will begin shortly. Please remain on the line. The webinar will begin shortly. Please remain on the line. The webinar will begin shortly. Please remain on the line. The webinar will begin shortly. Please remain on the line. The webinar will begin shortly. Please remain on the line. The webinar will begin shortly. Please remain on the line. The webinar will begin shortly. Please remain on the line. The webinar will begin shortly. Please remain on the line. The webinar will begin shortly. Please remain on the line. The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Guys, good morning. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Please confirm to me, guys. All of you get my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online, is my voice is clear to all of you? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Is my voice is clear to all of you guys? Please respond for me. Right. Thank you. Perfect. 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 Just 1 minute, guys. Within 1 minute, I'll start the session. Don't worry. Very good morning, guys. Very good morning. Right. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Right. We know Then today is a demo for Java programming language. Today we gathered here for demonstration about Java programming language, right? Any of you are for a different course other than the Java? Any of you are coming for a different course other than Java? All of you are coming for Java only, right? Right, good. Yeah, then today, just I would like to give some information about the very, very fundamental or foundation for Java. What is Java? How Java is available? How many parts are available in Java? What exactly we have to learn? What exactly the Java technology which is trending in outside? All these things today we are going to understand clearly. Good. First of all, now tell me guys, in Java, how many parts are available? Right, and before that I'm telling to you, this is the demo for full stack Java, basic Java, complete Java packages and core Java. Today is a demo for full stack Java, basic Java, complete Java package and core Java. So for all these batches, today is a demo class. Just try to understand it. Right, now anyway, I'm asking to you clearly, as per your awareness, how many parts are available in Java? Okay, before that I'm asking one simple question. Why you are trying to learn Java programming language? Why not other programming languages? Why you are coming for demo class today? Of course, for learning Java only, I understood that. But why you select Java? And why you are learning Java? I'm not asking about the comparison between Java and others. I'm asking to you, what is your intention to learn Java? I think might be you may have some n number of reasons. You may have n number of reasons. Reason number one, no sir, I completed my BTech long time back. No, my parents are forced to me. Array, you want to get married, you need some job, you need some salary, otherwise nobody will marry you. So because of that reason, my parents are forced to me. That's why today I came for demo class. Is that reason for you? Okay. Some other, yes sir. Nice. If any of you like that, then I'll be a good solution for it. If you want to get good dowries, if you want to get more dowries, please come and join with my classes there. I'll give some tips to you how to increase your dowry also. Fine, leave it. And some other people may have some other reasons like what? What reasons here? I completed my BTech a few days back, sir. I'm totally like what I'm doing there vacant. I don't have any work there. Just I want to check which course are trending in outside. Somebody else has given information to me. Java is good. That's why I chosen Java and today I came for a demo class. That's okay, somewhat better. And some other people are saying the reason, my relatives are my, and that is a big problem, is a common problem for everybody is what? One of my neighbor, uncle's son is working, he is my classmate actually. He is working with IBM at Bangalore. He is my same classmate, but in the campus interview, he got job at IBM and Bangalore is working. Every month he is earning nearly 45,000 rupees. Immediately my parents came to me every day morning. My parents are seeing at my face there. Are what you are doing, why you are doing. Even not my parents, no, in my street, all other uncles and aunties are coming to me. They're asking to me, are what you are doing, why you are vacant today. That person is earning 45,000, but you are not earning anything. Why you are sitting vacantly? You don't have any job. People are asking this type of question. I want to come out from that questions. I want to ignore this. That's why I came to Hyderabad and I'm joining in your class today. Is that reason for you? And somebody else may give some other answers. Sir, I'm very much passionate on programming languages. That means programming part. I'm crazy on Java programming. So I want to see the top to bottom of Java. I want to give left and right to Java. So that's why I came for your class today. It's overaction only. If anybody is saying, sir, I'm good at Java, I'm passionate on Java. If you are saying this kind of answers, no, you are not fit for my classes. Go and join with the James Gosling classes. Who is that James Gosling? Founder of father of Java. Father of Java is what? James Gosling. Who is mother of Java? Father of Java is James Gosling. That's okay. Who is mother of Java? Arey yaar, what you are thinking now? Wife of James Gosling is the mother of Java, right? Don't you think too much about it? It's clear. James Gosling is the father of Java. His wife is mother of Java, right? Don't ask me who is child of Java. James Gosling's son, huh? I don't know whether he has son or daughter. I don't know, right? Leave it. So many reasons, guys. Different reasons are available. But for all these reasons, answer is very simple. If you ask a question, why you are learning Java programming language today? If you ask this question, you may give hundreds of answers. But for all these answers, only one root cause. What is that root cause there? To get a very good job, in order to get more money. I'm very much practical in this point of view. I'm telling to you clearly. I want to get very good identity in outside, so I need a job. Along with identity, I required money, definitely, for survival purpose, for my survival. I need identity and as well as like what, no, monthly salary I required. Am I right or not? Any of you are ready to work with any company without salary? Any of you are ready to work with any company without salary? No, everybody is ready to work with the companies with the salary only. Am I right or not? Right, so definitely. So definitely we want to get very good job in the software company. If you want to get very good job in a software company, then I have to choose a technology. Definitely, I have to choose a programming language. In which programming language more number of opportunities are available? In which programming language more number of opportunities are available? That I want to know. In that, I want to search for my job. So for that purpose, first of all, I need to identify a programming language which is having very good demand in outside. Number of programming languages are available outside. Among all these programming languages, I identify my programming language is what? Java programming language. Why? Because in Java programming language, more and more number of opportunities are available. In Java programming, more and more number of opportunities are available. So because of that reason, I want to join for Java programming language today. I want to get a platform on Java platform. I want to get a job with Java programming language. So I want to learn Java programming language today. Because of this reason, today I came for a demo class. It might be a reason. Okay, good. Your reason is okay, fine. I understood that. But now tell me, before going to learn Java programming language, first we have to analyze yourself or not. What I have to learn. If I select Java programming language is my next programming language, then we have to analyze what I have to learn. How much Java I have to learn? Is it requirement for me to learn Java right from starting point to ending point of the Java? Is it possible for me? Is it necessary to learn Java right from 0 level to 100th level? The total Java you want to learn? If any of you are trying to learn the total Java, complete Java, even 100 years of time is also not sufficient for that. I'm sure about it. 100 years of time is also not sufficient. Don't try to swim the total ocean. Java is an ocean, no doubt for that. But up to how much is required? First analyze that. Up to how much is required to get a job in outside? Up to how much I have to learn about Java to work with the projects in the companies? First analyze that. Then try to learn the respective, the total programming language. But don't try to learn the complete Java. Not at all possible. Not possible even for me, even for James Gosling also. Getting my point clearly? What I'm telling to you? So now here we have a question. What is my question? What I have to learn in Java? Maybe myself is a fresher. Maybe myself is a 2 years of experienced person. Maybe myself, I want to keep 5 years of genuine fake experience in my resume. Genuine fake experience on my resume. I want to keep 5 years of experience. So what I have to learn? First, you should know that. After that, plan for learning process. Right. If I want to learn Java programming language perfectly, first of all, I have to know what is there inside the Java. I have a plan to learn Java programming language. So if you want to learn Java programming language, first what we have to do? First, I have to check what is there inside the Java. How many parts are available in Java? Which part I have to learn? Which part is for what purpose? Everything I have to learn or not? Everything I have to understand or not? Right, sir. For that purpose, I'm going to give some clarity today. What exactly the clarity here I'm telling to you? Try to understand it clearly. Java is available in 3 parts. Java is available in how many parts now? 3 parts. Tell me, sir, what are the 3 parts now? Tell me. As you know already, first one is like what? Tell me. First one is what? Core Java. First one is what? Core Java. Very nice. Then second one is what? Now tell me. Advanced Java. Very nice. Good. Your answer right now. Third one is what now? Now tell me. J2 EE. What is the third one here? J2 EE. Sir, got or not? Now tell me, guys. 3 parts are available inside the Java. What are the 3 parts which are available inside the Java? Core Java, Advanced Java. What next one? No? J2 EE. Come again. What are the 3 parts now? Core Java, Advanced Java. Totally wrong statement. This classification is totally wrong. This was not provided by Sun Microsystems. What is Sun Microsystems, sir? What is Sun Microsystems? It's a company which has released Java programming language to the market. The born place for Java programming language is a birthplace for Java programming language. Sun Microsystems is a home for Java. Sun Microsystems has not given Java like this. Unfortunately, this terminology was created at Amirpet in Hyderabad, not by Sun Microsystems. So this terminology is wrong terminology. Core Java, Advanced Java, J2EE. Up to this moment also, it's okay. What you understood, it's okay. But from this moment onwards, we should know what is there inside the Java. You should know the right terminology. Then what exactly the right terminology here? Try to understand it clearly. Right, sir. Now this is wrong terminology, but the right terminology is what? Java is available in 3 parts. First one is what? J2SE. What is this first one? No? J2SE, or is also be called as like what? No? Java SE. First one is what? J2SE or Java SE. And the second one is like what? No? J2EE or Java EE. J2EE or Java EE. And the third one is like what? No? J2ME or Java ME. J2ME or Java ME. Tell me, guys. 3 parts are available in Java. What are the 3 parts now? J2SE. Second one is what? J2EE. Third one is what? J2ME. I want to know the abbreviations of these 3 parts now. Abbreviations. I'm not talking about too much about these 3 parts immediately in the first class itself. Just I want to know abbreviations at least. J2SE stands for Java 2 Standard Edition. Java 2 Standard Edition. What is that? Java 2 Standard Edition, J2SE, right? J2EE is what? Java 2 Enterprise Edition. Java 2 Enterprise Edition. J2ME is what? Java 2 Micro Edition, not Mobile Edition. Most of the people are misspell about this M in J2ME. Most of the people are thinking it's a Mobile Edition. No, it is not Mobile Edition. It will be what? Micro Edition. Java 2 Micro Edition. Guys, all of you are clear about these 3 names or not? Tell me what is the first name now? J2SE is what? Java 2 Standard Edition. J2E is what? Java 2 Enterprise Edition. J2ME is what? Java 2 Micro Edition. Sir, we are giving Java clearly. 3 parts are available in Java. Names of the 3 parts are J2SE, J2E, J2ME, Java 2 Standard Edition, Java 2 Enterprise Edition, and Java 2 Micro Edition. Everything okay, good. I understood that. Tell me, for what purpose I have to go for J2SE? What J2SE will cover to me? What J2EE will cover to me? What J2ME will cover to me? I want to know that clearly. Names, everybody will give the names now, but give the purpose of each and every one. What is the purpose of J2SE? What is the purpose of J2EE? What is the purpose of J2ME? Give that information. I want to know that. Right. For that purpose, I'll give some clarity. Now try to understand this clearly. J2SE, all of you guys understand this clearly. J2SE will cover fundamentals of Java programming. What is this one? Fundamentals of Java programming. J2SE will cover what? Fundamentals of Java programming. Not too much Java programming, only fundamentals of Java programming. Clear or not? J2SE will cover what? Fundamentals of Java programming. What is this fundamental, sir? I don't know exactly. What is this fundamental? Understand it clearly. English is a language, natural language, not a programming language. In English, max is what? Formation of the statements. Am I right or not? Statement formation is a max for spoken English. Am I right or not? If you want to format the statements, no. If you want to form the statements, no. Foundation is required or not? Some alphabets we required or not? Some grammar rules and regulations are required or not? Tell me, sir, what I'm asking to you know. ABCDs are required or not? Alphabets are required or not? Some set of rules and regulations we require to form the statements or not? Is it not the foundation for English language? The grammar and alphabets, is it not the foundation for English language? Similarly, the foundation for Java is what? Alphabets. Alphabets in the sense what? Foundation for Java programming language. That means for building blocks of the Java programming language. That means if I want to construct a building, foundation is required or not? That basic part, that foundation part would be covered inside like what? No, J2SE part. In Java 2 Standard Edition, all the fundamentals of the Java programming language will be covered. That is foundation for Java programming language will be covered. Not too much Java programming language will be covered. Only foundation part will be covered. Basics of the Java will be covered. Okay, sir, understood. J2SE will cover only fundamentals of the Java programming language. That means basics only. Object orientation is one of the basic. Exception handling is one of the basic. Multi-threading is one of the basic. Collection framework is another basic. Like streams is another basic. And so on, and so on, and so on, and so on. A number of basics are available. All these fundamentals will be covered inside like what? No? J2SE. Okay, sir. I understood that. Now tell me, with these fundamentals, what I can do? By learning only this J2SE, what I can do? What advantage I'm able to get by learning this J2SE? By taking this J2SE code, what I am able to do? Will I prepare any application? Is it possible for me to prepare an application by using J2SE? Is it possible to prepare any type of application by using J2SE? If you're coming with this question, my answer is yes. Yes, we can prepare a simple applications. We can prepare simplified applications. That means simple applications by using J2SE. I want to give a particular name to these simple applications. No. What is that application care? Which type of applications care we are able to prepare by using J2SE? We can prepare standalone applications. Please, all of you understand this clearly. What is this application? No, standalone applications. By using this J2SE, we are able to prepare which type of applications there? No, standalone applications. Sir, again you are confused to me. You have used a word standalone application. What is a standalone application? I want to know. What is a standalone application? So many applications I have seen in outside. Even most of the people are talking about web applications or enterprise different applications now. But what is the word standalone application? I want to know that. Listen, I'll give you clarity. Listen carefully. I'm giving definition for standalone application. Now try to understand it clearly. If we design any application without using client server architecture, without distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called as standalone application. Come again. What is standalone application? If we design and execute any application without using client server architecture, you know already client server architecture minimum. Client will send request to the server, server will take the request, server will execute something, server will generate response to the respective client, client can take that response, client can display that response to the user. This architecture is what? Client server architecture. Without using this architecture or without distributing my application logic over multiple machines, no client mission, no server mission, my application logic is available totally in a single mission. My application logic is not available in multiple missions. If we design application like this, then that application is called as what? Standalone application. That application is what? Standalone application. Now see this standalone application. I want to give a diagram here. In simple diagram here, I want to try to observe this clearly. What exactly the standalone application here I'm telling to you? Simple. For your analysis purposes, simple application here I'm telling there. Try to understand this clearly. For example, I want to take this is a computer. This is what a mission. I used to say computer in the sense a mission. Whenever I'm saying it's a mission, you can think of it. It may be a computer, or it may be a mobile phone, or it may be anything. Simply, I want to say a mission. A mission. That's it. Okay, this is my computer or mission. Inside my computer, I prepared my total program here. This is my program, Java program. It's a Java application or simply a Java application or Java program. We can understand it clearly. Okay, this is nothing but like what? No, a mission, a computer. Okay, if it is a Java application where number of lines here we have to write or not, more and more number of lines of code here we have to write or not. So all these are like what? No, intersections. Now tell me guys, all of you now tell me, how many computers here I have taken? One computer, more than one computer? One computer, more than one computer? Only one computer. This is my total program. What are the program here I provide? This is my total program. The total program I prepared in a single computer or not? The total program I'm trying to execute in a single computer or not? All of you guys observe carefully. The complete application I'm running on a single mission or not? So the total program is distributed, is available in a single computer which doesn't have client server architecture and which doesn't have distribution of our application logic, which has the total application is single mission we are running. So this type of application is called as what? This type of application is called as what? Standalone application. This is an example for like this is a view of like what? No, standalone application. Come on guys, now tell me what is standalone application? Come on, what is standalone application? If you design and execute any application without using client server architecture and without distributing application logic over multiple missions. Come again. If we design and execute any application without using client server architecture or without distributing application logic over multiple missions, then that application is called as what? Standalone applications. Answer my point clearly. Sir, in the demo classes, at least in the first class itself, you should be active. Answer my point here. If you are not active, my battery will be down. Answer my point clearly. Whenever I'm asking the coaches, rapid answers I'm expecting. Gunshot answers I'm expecting. Understand it clearly. So you have to open your mouth. Up to now, you close your mouth up to your BTech. Now you are coming to the institute. At least now, if you are not open your mouth, where you are going to open your mouth? If you are not open your mouth there, in front of that interviewer, you may get sweating. That's it. Not more than that. So you have to open your mouth from now onwards. Then only you can open your mouth in front of that interviewer. Now, tell me, everybody has to give answer for me. What is standalone application? Now tell me. If you design and execute any application without using client server architecture or without distributing application logic over multiple missions, then that application is what? Standalone application. That's okay, fine. Good, sir. Okay, sir. Understood what is standalone application. Can you tell me any example for standalone application? Any example for standalone application? A number of examples I can give. Observe carefully. Calculator is an example, sir. In calculator, inside the calculator also a program is running. There we give an input on the same device. The total program is executed on the single device. Output will be generated in the same device. Am I right or not? Yet the program is executed in a single device or not? Is a single program or not? No internet connection, no client server architecture, no application logic is distributed over multiple calculators, single calculator. Within that calculator, the total program is executed. So this application is what? Standalone application. Not only that. Answer my point clearly. One more thing here, I'm telling there. My mission is available. In my mission, frequently I will use paint. This is what? Paint brush, paint. Paint is also an application or not? Paint is also an application or not? Is a single application or not? Which is running in my computer or not? In my machine or not? So this is also an example for like what now? A standalone application. Not only that, frequently I will use Sublime Text, a text editor to write the data. Not for programming. I will not use this Sublime Text for programming. I will use the Sublime Text for only writing the data. So this is Sublime Text. So this is also an application. It is an editor application. That application is running alone in my system. Am I right or not? So this is also an example for what now? As a standalone application. Like this, in my computer, Eclipse IDE is running, command prompt is running separately, Notepad is running separately, Sublime Text is running separately, Paint is running separately. All these things are examples for like what now? Standalone applications. Yes, sir. All of you are getting it or not? Now, 3 questions I will ask to all of you guys. You have to answer for all 3 questions. Question number 1. What is J2SE? Java 2 Standard Edition. Good. This Java 2 Standard Edition will cover what? Fundamentals of the Java programming. By using these fundamentals, which type of applications we are able to prepare? Standalone application. What is standalone application? If we design and execute any application without using client server architecture, without distributing application logic over multiple machines, then it is called as what? Standalone application. Okay, good. That we understood clearly. Next one, apart from this, another point is like what? No, this is about standalone application. Okay, we understood this. Sir, tell me examples for standalone applications. What is example for standalone application? Calculator is the best example. In our computer, Paint, Notepad, and everything are like what? No, standalone applications. Up to these points here we covered. Am I right or not? Okay, good. Once again, I'll come back to this J2SE part. No, just wait a minute of time. Next one is what, sir? What is this next one here? No, Java 2 Enterprise Edition. That's okay, fine. J2SE will cover fundamentals of the Java, that I know, sir. It's very clear. You said already Java 2 SE, it will cover fundamentals of the Java. But what J2EE will cover? Java 2 Standard Edition will cover fundamentals of the Java, that I know. But what this J2EE will cover? If we come for this point now, J2EE, Java 2 Enterprise Edition will cover server-side programming. What it will cover, sir? Now tell me. Server-side programming. J2EE will cover what? Server-side programming. Sir, previously you said to me, J2SE will cover fundamentals of the Java. That fundamentals can be used to prepare standalone applications, that I understood. Now we are saying J2EE, Enterprise Edition, will cover server-side programming. By using the server-side programming, which type of applications I am able to prepare? What type of applications I am able to prepare? If you are getting this kind of question, answer is very clear. By using the server-side programming, we are able to prepare enterprise applications. We are able to prepare what? Enterprise applications are distributed applications. Which type of applications? No, enterprise applications are distributed applications. Right, sir? If you ask a question to me, what is standalone application, I can give answer. That's okay, fine. But what you are asking, no? Enterprise application or a distributed application. This is a question here you are asking, no? So what is enterprise application or what is distributed application? That I want to know clearly. Very simple definition. Please, once again, for the sake of me, tell me what is standalone application? If you design and execute any application without using client server architecture or without distributing application logic over multiple machines, then it is what? Standalone application. Hold here. Listen carefully. If we design and execute any application on the basis of client server architecture by distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called as distributed application or enterprise application. Simple point or not? Simple definition or not? Tell me, what is distributed application? If we design and execute any application on the basis of client server architecture or by distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called as what? Distributed application. Is that point is clear or not? Okay, fine. Distributed application here, understood that point now. Sir, previously you asked standalone application, I given definition perfectly. Then immediately you asked, tell me some examples for standalone application. There also I given perfectly answers now. Now here also the similar question is coming. You know already what is distributed application. if you design and execute any application on the basis of client-server architecture or by distributing application logic over multiple machines, that application is called as distributed application or enterprise application, that I know. But tell me some examples for distributed application or enterprise application. I want to know that. Tell me some examples for that. Right. Good. Whatever the examples you are saying to me, all these examples are 100% right. If you take any example for this enterprise application, I can say yes. I'll give reason also clearly. Okay, at least some examples here we have to understand. Right, sir, now tell me. Social media applications are available. Social network applications. Facebook. All of you are having Facebook account or not? Come on, I'm asking to you, all of you are having Facebook account or not? Any of you are living without a Facebook account? If any of you are available without Facebook account, you are not fit for my classes, I'm sure about it. Better to stop my classes. Why? Because in the future, I will share some of the resources through Facebook also. Our classroom notes I may share through Facebook also in the future. So definitely everybody must have Facebook account. That is one thing. Okay, fine. If you observe this Facebook, or maybe next one is a Gmail. I think all of you are having Gmail account. Am I right or not? I think not like only one account. Multiple accounts are available, sir. Am I right or not? One account is for my family. Another account is for my friends. Another account is for my... Don't ask to me, sir. That I know. Huh? Okay, fine. Definitely, more than one Gmail accounts we are having there, right? That's fine. Social network. If you observe this Facebook account, sir, what is going on here actually? If I want to use Facebook there, first of all, what I will do, I will open browser in my laptop. Only browser. Am I right or not? Browser. In browser, at address bar, I have to type www.facebook.com. When I type facebook.com, tell me what's going to be happen there. What will happen there when I type facebook.com? Come on, guys. What we are getting there? Directly login page we are getting or not? Okay, inside the login page, what we have to enter? Username or password or maybe mobile number or password that we have to enter or not? Okay, we entered that. Then after that, we have to click on login page or not? Login button or not? Sign in button or login button we have to click or not? When we click on sign in or login button, then what will happen there next? Come on, what will happen there next? Again, we are getting our account page or not? Of course, if your credentials are wrong, you are providing wrong username and password, in the same login page, you are able to get like what now? Invalid username and password or incorrect username and password. That message we are able to get. Okay, this is a scenario. And then after that, whenever we are getting our home page there, our account page there we may go for some n number of modifications. Either we can go for chatting, or we may go upload our photo, or maybe I may change our photo, I may change our whatever it may be. N number of options are available. Anything here we can do. Okay, 1 minute coming back now. Take in browser, address bar is available. When I type www.facebook.com, when I click on enter button, what will happen? When we click on enter button with www.facebook.com, automatically a request will be submitted to Facebook server. Automatically a request will be submitted to Facebook server. At a Facebook server, one application is available. Facebook application is available. It will take that request. It will process that request, and it will send a login page as a response to your browser. That Facebook application is not available in our computer. Think about it. In your computer, you are having only browser, but Facebook is an application that is available at a Facebook server. It may be available at USA, somewhere else. In your computer, in your browser, Facebook application is not available. Facebook people are not giving the entire application to you in our computer to install. Got my point or not? Just in our computer, a browser is available where we provided www.facebook.com, and if you click on enter button with that, automatically a request will be submitted to Facebook server. That Facebook server will take that request. Facebook server will execute Facebook application, and it will send the required login page as response to your computer. Okay, login page we are getting. After getting login page, what we have to do? Come on, guys. After getting login page, what we have to do? We have to enter our credentials. That means username or password. We have to enter. We enter that. Then we click on which button there? Login button. When we click on login button, what is going to be happen there? What will happen internally? When we click on login button, again another request will be submitted to Facebook application. Another request will be submitted to Facebook server where Facebook application will be executed. Now this time Facebook application will understand. Now this is a request which is coming from login page, where username and password is also be travel along with this request. Username and password is also be coming, where username and password will be checked with the registered users username and password. If this username and password is available in the registered users username and password, then immediately account page will be identified for the particular user. That account page will be submitted to the respective user. If that username and password is not matched there, immediately an error message will be submitted to the respective browser. That means login page, incorrect username and password. Like this we are getting clearly. Tell me guys, in this overall process, client server architecture is involved or not? Client server architecture is involved or not? Application logic is distributed over 2 machines or not? Or a login page is also a part of your application. Login page is a part of your application. Registration page is a part of your application. Where this login page is running, where this registration page is available, at our browser or not, at our client machine or not. Understand my point? So client server architecture is involved. Our application logic is distributed over multiple machines or not. So Facebook application is an example for what? Facebook application is an example for what? Distributed application or enterprise application. Right, leave it. Social network applications or distributed applications, leave this one. Nowadays, food delivery applications are getting more trending in outside. Yes, sir. Am I right or not? The most common thing for every human being is what? Food. Input. Yes, sir. Am I right or not? It's an input. Definitely we require that energy. If you want to get energy, we need input. Am I right or not? Unfortunately, nobody is preparing food at their homes nowadays, especially software engineers. Then what is the alternative for that? Number of Swiggy or Zomato or maybe what other one? Recently might be one more one is getting more demand in outside. Swiggy, Zomato, that I know. Then what is that one? Uber is also going on, no? Of course, I don't know. Anyway, now let's understand this example. Swiggy, for example. What we are doing, sir? What we are doing, sir? First of all, I want to give some biryani as an order, right? I want to eat biryani. Today, environment is very good in outside, especially chicken biryani. Then where I want to see leg pieces. Of course, I want to get that. What I have to do? I'm lazy to go to the restaurant and to stand in the restaurant. Maybe I'm very lazy to go to the restaurant, to sit in the restaurant to eat that food. I want to get it at my home. Then immediately I'll open that Zomato or Swiggy. There I have to place that order or not, that biryani order or not. Understand my point here? Paradise biryani is very good in Hyderabad. Meridian biryani is very good in Hyderabad. I want to book an order. I want to give an order. So I place that order. When I place this order, when I click on place order button there, when I click on it, then what will happen? Automatically, a request will be submitted to the Swiggy server or not. The Swiggy server will trace that restaurant or not. That information will be passed to the restaurant or not. Now, restaurant people are trying to prepare that food item or not. Then meanwhile, that Swiggy application, Swiggy server side application is tracing the delivery boy or not. If any delivery boy is available near to the respective restaurant, that immediately that request will be passed to the delivery person or not. Now, delivery person, after getting that request, he will go to the restaurant and he will pick up the food item. Then that food item will be delivered to the respective location or not. Tell me, guys, is this everything is going on in a single computer? Is this total process going on in a single computer? The total thing is going on depends on the client server architecture or not. This total thing is depending on client server architecture or not. Is also an example for distributed application or not? No response, guys. This is also a distributed application or not? So this is another one here. Next one, after that, one more point. Listen carefully. For what purpose you are learning Java programming language now? For what purpose you are learning Java programming language? Already we concluded that in the initial stage of this class. For what purpose you are learning Java? For getting job. For getting job. Yes, sir. Am I right or not? For getting job or without getting job? No. For getting job. With Java, you want to join in politics? Is it possible? No. Then I'm learning Java for getting job only. For what purpose you are getting job? For what purpose you need a job, sir? Because of two things. What are the two things? No, one is good identity, and internal reason is what? Money. Money makes more. Without money, nothing is going on. Today you are coming in front of me for the sake of money only. I am standing in front of you for the sake of. Am I right or not? I think still some of you are not believing my statements now. Of course, when you are getting job, when 1 month is completed, when you are getting salary, there you can understand clearly. Okay, fine. How, sir? How money was provided by companies to you? Through hand, by hand, or through account? By hand, na? If any company is giving money through hand, na, it is not at all a company. Don't join with that company. Every company, every software company, they are trying to give money through account only. Your salary account must be created on the first day of your journey with respect to company. Salary account will be created. Through that salary account only, money will be deposited by the company to you. Clear or not? Okay, fine. I have a salary. For example, 30,000 salary per month for me. 30,000 is a salary per month for me. That's okay, fine, good. Unfortunately, one of my friend is staying at village. This year craft is not good. Agriculture is not at all good. He made a call to me. He asked to me, "Arey, every month you are getting 30,000, na? Please send 10,000 for this month for me for the sake of my family." He requested to me. Then I asked him how I can transfer, how I can send it. Then he sent some account details to me. He sent some account details to me. Unfortunately, what happened? My account is available on HDFC Bank, but my friend account is on ICICI Bank. My account is HDFC account. My friend's account is what? ICICI account. Then he asked to me to transfer some amount. Then what I have to do? I have to open my internet banking or not? Where I have to add that my friend's account is my account or not? Pairing must be done or not? After adding that account with my account, then I have to transfer some amount from my account to my friend account or not? Observe carefully. Whenever I'm trying to transfer some amount from my account to my friend account, what's going on internally? First of all, my request will be reached to a HDFC Bank server. HDFC Bank server will communicate with ICICI Bank server. Then it will send some request to ICICI Bank server. ICICI Bank server will process that request and give some acknowledgement to my HDFC Bank server. Then after that same acknowledgement will be given back to me. By that I can confirm that some 10,000 amount is transferred from my account to my friend account. Tell me again, in this total scenario, client server architecture is involved or not involved? Definitely, client server architecture is involved. My application logic is distributed over multiple machines or not? Definitely multiple machines. Is it not the example for distributed application? Right, sir. Now here the overall conclusion, what I am telling there, like this, if we take any area, like insurance platform, or maybe banking sector, or maybe like what now, educational part, or maybe anything, in any area, distributed applications and enterprise applications are available. In every area, distributed applications or enterprise applications are available. That's why I want to give some percentage now. Standalone applications are up to 5% only in outside market. In outside, standalone applications are how many? No, only 5%. But 95% of the applications are what? 95% of the applications are what? Distributed applications only. 95% of the applications are what? Distributed applications only. Getting clarity or not? Tell me, sir, which applications are having more demand in outside market? Distributed applications than standalone applications. To prepare standalone applications, which technology we have to use? Come on, to prepare standalone applications, which program, what module of the Java we have to use? J2SE, Java 2 standard edition we have to use or not? To prepare distributed applications, which module we have to use? J2EE, Java 2 enterprise edition we have to use. Am I right or not? Distributed applications are having more demand than standalone applications. Now tell me, which module is having more demand now? J2EE or J2SE? J2EE is having more demand or not? J2EE is having more demand or not? When compared with J2SE, definitely J2EE is having more demand. Am I right or not? That's why I'm asking to you, why you are not learning J2EE directly? Why you are coming for J2SE? If J2EE is more demanded in outside, why don't we go for directly J2EE? Why you are coming for J2SE? I can give reason for it. I can give answer for it. What is that answer there? Even though J2EE more demanded than J2SE, but J2SE will get more priority than J2EE. Priority is different, demand is different. Distributed applications are getting more demand in outside. As per that, J2EE is getting more demand in outside. But as part of that, J2SE is also be getting good demand in outside. Why? Because that entire J2EE is depending on what? Server. Sorry, depending on what? J2SE. J2EE is totally depending on what? J2SE. Answer my point here. So this is a buildings are where walls and slab we are putting. That is by using J2EE. But these walls and slab, everything we are keeping on what? Foundation. Am I right or not? Without having foundation, is it possible to construct walls and slab? No. Is it possible to construct walls and slab without foundation care? That foundation is J2SE. Your walls and slab is what? J2EE. The total J2EE is standing on the top of J2SE or not? So if you want to learn J2EE, what we must learn here? J2SE. So which one is more demanded now? J2SE is more prioritized one over the top of the J2EE. Here we have to learn. Understand my point here? That means J2EE in the sense, that means J2SE in the sense core Java only, but J2EE in the sense not advanced Java, more than advanced Java, J2EE. Try to understand my point clearly. So definitely J2SE is getting more demand. Okay, good. That's okay, fine. These are the points here we can understand now. All right, sir. Now J2SE, J2EE, few points here we understood. Then one more thing is available. What is this one more thing, sir? Last one now, tell me. J2. What is this one now? Tell me. J2ME. What is this J2ME, sir? What is the abbreviation for J2ME? Java 2 Micro Edition. Java 2 Micro Edition, not Mobile Edition. I'm clear, very much clear about it. Okay, fine. Sir, J2SE will cover fundamentals of the Java. J2EE will cover server-side programming. Similarly, J2ME will cover what? J2ME will cover what? If you come for this point, J2ME will cover micro programming. What is this now? Micro programming. J2ME will cover what? Micro programming. This my point is clear. J2ME will cover what? Micro programming. Nice, sir. Good. I understood this point clearly. Next one is after that, J2ME will cover micro programming. By using fundamentals of the Java, we are able to prepare standalone applications. By using server-side programming, we are able to prepare enterprise applications or distributed applications. Similarly, by using micro programming, which type of applications I am able to prepare? Is it possible to prepare any special type of application? As definitely we are able to prepare special type of application by using micro programming. That special type of applications are like what? No, mobile based applications. What is this? No, mobile based applications, are simply speaking mobile applications here we are able to prepare. Sir, I know what is standalone application. If we design and execute any application without using client server architecture or without distributing application logic over multiple machines, that is called a standalone application. That I understood. What is distributed application? If we design and execute any application on the basis of client server architecture by distributing application logic over multiple machines, then it is what? Distributed application or enterprise application. Up to these two I understood. Can you define what is mobile based application? What exactly the meaning of mobile based application? Listen carefully. Very simple. If we design and execute any application on the basis of mobile hardware architecture, if we design and execute any application on the basis of mobile hardware architecture, mobile hardware architecture. If you design and execute any application, then that application is called as what? Mobile based application. If we design and execute any application on the base of mobile architecture, then that application is what? Mobile based application. Okay, sir. Definition is okay. Understood that. And mobile hardware system, if you run any software, any application, that application is mobile based application. That's okay. Fine. Good. I understood that. Any example for it? Any example for that? I want to know some example for that. Yes, I can give some examples to you. Now try to understand this example. What is that example clearly? All of you understand clearly? 1 minute, sir. Right, sir. Any example for mobile based applications? All of you are having mobile phones, right? In that mobile phone, F symbol is available. Facebook, F symbol. Facebook is available. Facebook.com is available. But if you want to open Facebook in our mobile phone, we have to go for Play Store. In a Play Store, we have to install that Facebook app or not. That Facebook app is not Facebook.com. Facebook app is an application in mobile phone which interact with the Facebook.com. Facebook.com server-side application is available. But to connect with the server-side application from my mobile phone, I require one application on my mobile phone. I need to run one app on my mobile phone. That app is like what now? Mobile-based application. Okay, leave this one also. Amazon. Like e-commerce application I'm asking there. Amazon. Amazon.com is available. Amazon. I want to go for some online shopping. What I have to do, sir? I will open my computer where I will open my browser. There I can type Amazon.com. Immediately I'm able to get that home page of this Amazon website or not. There we can select some items and we can place order for some items. Am I right or not? Maybe within a week or within 10 days that required item will come to my home. That's okay. I think so. Might be then 23rd and 24th. Amazon sale is available. I think so. Are you aware about it? Nearly 40 to 50% concessions are going on all electronics products. Maybe think about it. Utilize that opportunity also. Okay. Anyway, Amazon. But my requirement is what? I don't want to see that Amazon everything on my browser, on my laptop. I don't want to carry every time my laptop whenever I want to go for online shopping. I want to do online shopping with my mobile phone. I want to do online shopping with my mobile phone. That means if I want to do shopping with my mobile phone, what I have to do? I need to connect with Amazon.com from my mobile phone. But if you want to connect with Amazon.com from our mobile phone, where we need one app or not in our mobile phone, that app is what? Amazon app we required or not? We have to install that app on our mobile phone. By after the installation of Amazon app in our mobile phone, through the app only we can connect with what? No, Amazon.com. Then we can place order for some items. Leave it, sir. I want to go for say, for example, best example. Why you are thinking too much about all these things? So the best example was WhatsApp. I want to send some messages from my account to one of my friend account. Then immediately WhatsApp is best option or not? WhatsApp is also a mobile app. That means if you want to do conversation with WhatsApp, we have to install that WhatsApp app in our mobile phone. That installed app in our mobile phone is nothing but what? No, mobile app. Mobile app. Am I right or not? Okay, sir. Good. Understood. What is mobile? What is a J2ME? What is mobile-based application? Examples for mobile-based application. Now tell me, guys. All of you now tell me. How much percentage of the applications are standalone applications in outside? Is that only 5%? 5% of the applications are what? Standalone applications. That's okay, clear. How much percentage of the applications are distributed applications in outside? No. 95% of the applications are what? Distributed applications. Similarly, can you tell me some percentage for mobile-based applications? No. If you ask to me, the percentage of the applications of mobile-based applications in outside, 100% of the applications are what? No, mobile-based applications. 100% of the applications are what? Mobile-based applications. Is my point is clear or not? Everybody has to understand this clearly. So, In a standalone mode, mobile-based applications are available. In enterprise mode also, mobile-based applications are available. For example, in my mobile phone, I want to open calculator app. Calculator is one app or not? Is that in a standalone mode or in a distributed mode? Standalone mode. It doesn't require any internet connection. To open calculator in our mobile phone doesn't require any internet connection, doesn't require any client server architecture. It's available in standalone mode or not? That's very nice. For example, I want to pay bills to my Airtel account every month. So I require my Airtel app in my mobile. Then it required client server architecture or not? It required that the distributed application is distributed or not? So this is an enterprise mode or not? So mobile-based applications are available at a standalone mode as well as in like what? No, distributed applications mode. So 100% of the applications are like what? No, mobile-based applications. Is it clear or not? Now tell me. I'm asking one more question. Now tell me. J2SE, J2EE, and J2ME. Which one is more demanded here? No. Of course, as per the order, as per the demand, no, J2ME has to be more demanded. Next one is the J2EE. Next one is the J2SE. Of course, for learning process, no, J2SE will get more priority than J2E, then J2ME. That's okay. But demanded technologies and outside, as per our concept, as J2ME are getting, sorry, as mobile-based applications are having more demand in outside, J2ME must have more demand in outside or not? Come on, guys. What I'm asking you, try to understand it clearly. Mobile-based applications are very good demanded applications in outside. So definitely J2ME must get more demand or not? Am I right or not? This is wrong statement. This is wrong statement. Mobile-based applications are having very good demand in outside. But J2ME is almost all dead in outside. Mobile-based applications are having very good demand in outside. But J2ME is dead. No life is available for J2ME. No demand is available for J2ME in outside. Why? Because to prepare mobile-based applications, number of alternatives are coming for the J2ME. More and more number of alternatives are available for J2ME to prepare mobile phone applications. To prepare mobile-based applications, a number of alternatives are available. Nobody is using J2ME at present. Of course, we can use J2ME in olden days, but at present, number of alternatives are available to prepare mobile-based applications. Not mandatory, not required to go for what? No, J2ME. That's why it was dead in outside. Tell me, sir, what are the various alternatives for mobile-based applications? For the J2ME, what are the various alternatives to prepare mobile-based applications? When Android is coming to the picture, when iPhone technology is coming to the picture, and a Swift is coming to the picture along with iPhone technology, automatically J2ME demand was totally collapsed. J2ME was totally dead, is totally collapsed in outside market whenever Android and iPhone and this kind of technologies or platforms are coming in outside market to prepare mobile-based applications. Following my point or not? So now tell me, J2ME is having any demand in outside? No demand is available for J2ME. What are the alternatives for J2ME? Android and what next one there? No, iPhone and this kind of technologies are coming outside. Automatically demand for J2ME was reduced. Now at present, its status is dead. Physically, third part is available in Java, but nobody is thinking about J2ME at present. Now, nowadays might be, if we touch anybody else, those who are working in Java, how many modules are available in Java? If you ask there, they are going to give reply only 2 modules, not 3 modules. What are the 2 modules there? No, J2SE, J2EE. But physically J2ME is available, but is nobody is thinking about like what? No, J2ME. Example I'm telling, sir. If I conduct any class on J2SE or J2EE, bulk of the students will come. But if I conduct a class on J2ME, I cannot see even a single student. I will not see even a single student. Why no student is preferred to come for J2ME? Why? No demand is available. But mobile-based applications are having very good demand in outside. But J2ME is not having good demand in outside. Why? Because number of alternatives are available to prepare mobile-based applications like what? Android or iPhone, Swift, n number of technologies are available. Due to that reason, J2ME is not having any demand in outside. Guys, all of you are following my concepts now. I'm not teaching too much Java in the first day itself. I'm teaching just only fundamentals. Okay. Can you get review of total content what I discussed today? Will you get the total review? Now tell me in Java, how many parts are available? What are the three parts now? J to SE, J to EE, J to ME. What is J to SE? Java to standardization. What is J to EE? Java to enterprise. What is J to ME? Java to migration. That's very clear. J to SE will cover what? Fundamentals of the Java. J to EE will cover what? Server side programming. J to ME will cover what? Micro programming. By using fundamentals of the Java, which type of application we are able to prepare? Standalone application. By using server side programming, which type of application we are able to prepare? Distributed application or enterprise application. By using micro programming, which type of applications we are able to prepare? Mobile based application. What is standalone application? If we design and execute any application without using client server architecture or without distributing application logic over multiple machines, that's okay. That application is standard. What is enterprise application? If we design and execute any application on the basis of client server architecture by distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called as what? Distributed application or enterprise application. That's okay, fine. Next one is, what is, then after that, what is mobile based application? If we design and execute any application on the basis of mobile hardware architecture, that application is what? Mobile based application. Quick, now tell me example for standalone application. Calculator in our mobile phone or calculator in our system. That's okay. Any example for distributed application? All banking applications are distributed applications. All food delivery applications are distributed applications. All social network applications are what? Distributed application. Good. Any example for mobile based application? WhatsApp, then what next one? Telegram on our mobile phone, Facebook icon in our mobile phone. All these things are like what? No, the mobile based applications. That's okay, fine. Out of these three technologies, out of these three, now tell me which one is getting very good demand actually? J2EE is having more demand. Next demand is for what? J2SE. But no demand is for what? J2ME. This is demand point of view outside. But learning process point of view, which one is getting more priority? J2SE. Next priority is for what? J2EE. No, next no priority is for what? J2ME. Even if you want to learn J2ME, we need core Java. That's why we have to learn J2SE again. J2S is a more powerful, sir. If you want to learn testing tools, Selenium testing, required core Java. If you want to learn J2EE, required core Java. If you want to learn Salesforce in outside, required core Java. If you want to learn Hadoop in outside, required core Java. If you want to go for SAP tools like SAP tools, there we require what? No, core Java. And if you want to go for like Android mobile based technologies, again we require core Java. Understand it clearly. That entire software world is moving on the top of core Java. In Hyderabad, if you come for Amirpet, if you want to learn any other technologies other than Java, every other technology trainer will say to you, go to Durga and complete core Java, then come here. That means that not Durga is not mandatory. Means that core Java is mandatory. Complete core Java, then only come for this particular one. Even when compared with Python also, what I am telling to you, if you learn core Java, Python is very simple. Nothing is there in Python if you learn core Java. After learning core Java, easily we can switch to Python. No need to join for any course, any institute. But after learning Python, if you want to learn core Java, it is too much difficult. After understanding Python, if you want to come for core Java, it's totally a confusion. But after learning core Java, if you switch to Python, it's very simple. Get my point or not? So by that we can understand Java is having good platform in outside. That's okay, guys. Now this is about clearly what now? Then what exactly the parts are available in Java? Okay, fine. But here still my question is available with me. What is my question here? Java is available with the three parts now that I understood clearly, guys. Sir, now tell me, Java is available with all the three parts now. But what I have to learn among all the three things? One thing is very confirmed clearly. Which one is not required to learn? J2ME not required to learn. Leave it. Then remaining two are what? J2S and J2EE. Among these two, what I have to learn? Still, why I'm asking, why I'm discussing all these points now? Only because of one question. What is my question? What I have to learn? That is my question. What I have to learn? For that, I'm explaining this total thing here. But finally, I finalized two things now. What two things here? J2SE and J2EE. Okay, fine. One thing is confirmed, not required to learn what? J2ME. Leave it. But two things here I have to learn. But between these two things also, one more statement is confirmed. What I must learn, J to SE, I must learn. This is minimum of the minimum that I have to learn, J to SE. Okay, what about J to EE? Is it required to learn the total J to EE? J to SE is mandatory. But J to E, the complete J to EE is mandatory? No, no. Part of the J to EE is sufficient. Part of the J to EE is sufficient. J to SE in the sense core Java only, not more than that. Core Java is mandatory. That's why you came here today. Okay, J to E, part of the J to EE only I have to learn. Remaining part is not required. Yes, sir, got it or not? Okay, sir. Still, I'm not getting complete answer for my question. You are giving some indirect answers to me. J to SE, you have to learn. Okay, that's okay. I understood. Half of the part of the J to EE, you are saying. What is the part of the J to EE? How much part of the J to EE I have to learn? But still, my answer is not coming. Sir, are thinking in this fashion or not? Are you thinking in this way or not? Still, you are not getting complete answer for your question. What is your question? Basically, what I have to learn in Java? For that, I said to you, not required to learn J to MB. You have to learn J to SE. Part of the J to EE. What part of the J to EE? Still, that is a question mark now. What part of the J to EE? Still, that is a question mark here. So, because of that reason here, what is the point I'm telling there? I need to give a clear picture of what I have to learn today as per the outside market, as per the outside trending, what I have to learn, as per the company's requirement, what I have to learn. That clear picture I have to provide. Yes, sir, got it or not? But if you want to know that clear picture, if you want to understand clearly what I have to learn about my career, I'm a fresher, what I have to learn. I'm 3 years of experienced person, what I have to learn. I'm 5 years of experienced person, what I have learned. I'm a team lead now, what I have to learn. If you want to get the total details now, you have to wait up to tomorrow's class. Even if I start that, it may not be completed. I need to give clarity on each and every part. Why this demand is available, what we have to get, what we have to understand. That everything I will explain to you on tomorrow. Yes, guys, all of you are getting it or not? Right, sir. Just one simple announcement. Anyway, I'm going to wind up this session. Guys, those who are in online, just wait 1 minute of time. I will talk with you. I'll talk with you. Wait 1 minute of time. I'll talk with you. What batches are available, what programs are available in Durga Soft. I will explain tomorrow clearly about your plan. What exactly your plan to get a job, how to proceed for learning these technologies. That clear-cut plan and everything I will discuss with you on tomorrow. Not today. Why? Because time may not be sufficient. I'll discuss everything on tomorrow. About your plan. I will give a clear-cut plan for you. How to proceed with that, how to get a job in a short manner. Everything I will discuss with you on tomorrow. Don't miss the tomorrow's class. If possible, you can call your friends also on tomorrow's class. Career guidelines I will provide to you. Very good guidelines I will provide to you. If you follow that, within short time you will get job. So such kind of demo class I will conduct on tomorrow. That will be very much useful for you. Why? Because these guidelines are more valuable than our technology. Why? Because without having proper plan, if you are trying to learn Java, years and years of time it will take. But with a plan, if you learn Java, it may be completed in a short time, short period of time. So I'll give such type of career guidelines to you, and tomorrow, don't miss that one. So payment related things and everything, directly you can reach out our office. Our people will help you. They will give more clarity. But whatever the advantage I said you, that will be valid up to next 3 days attempt, and try to utilize that. Okay. So today I'm stopping this session, and tomorrow will continue. Then even not required to ask any question today. Tomorrow will clarify all of your questions immediately. If you require any doubts about this payment related or all these things, no, you can reach out our office. Our office people will help you, and they'll give more clarity on this particular content. Is it clear to all of you guys? All of you will come on tomorrow. All of you will come on tomorrow. You have to give word to me. Then tomorrow class is very, very, very important. I'm going to talk about your career guidelines, total information about your career. So without missing, try to come for the session on tomorrow. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Tomorrow we'll meet. Officer. Guys, those who are in online, guys, and anything else, anything you want to learn, you want to know about these courses and everything, guys, don't worry. And tomorrow I will take one more session for all of you. Then you are able to understand it. Then meanwhile, if you required anything else about this one regarding this package and everything, everything, if you want to talk about these courses and everything, you can reach to Durga Soft online training @gmail.com. This is for online students, and you can reach out Durgasoft online training @gmail.com. This is one thing. Or else you can reach to, you can call to 888-525-2627. This is a mobile number. You can call to this number. Our people will contact with you, and they'll go for all the details. Whatever the details you are expecting and everything, they will talk with you. Okay. So Durgasoft online training @gmail.com, or you can reach to 888-525-2627. Tomorrow, one more demo class only. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, demo class are going on. You can attend with the same link. Same link you can use to attend for these demo classes. Okay. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot. You will get videos recordings. Yeah. That's what I give in that option there for everybody. No. Yeah. That's what I'm telling you. Guys, just wait one more time, one more minute of time. Then I will talk with you. Yeah. Hello. Yeah, guys, now tell me. Yeah, in regular class, we allowed to ask clarifications. Yeah, Sampath, what I'm telling there, just you can type the messages here, and every message I used to see, I used to respond for your messages. Okay, definitely. How many days available recording videos, sir? Then up to 1 year of time, you will get that all the videos, Ramesh. Yeah, yeah, Ramesh, and you will get all the video support up to 1 year of time. Okay. Yeah, today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, demo class are going on. Yeah, you will get videos and everything. 1 year of time, you will get videos, guys. Don't worry. And guys, and Gurvinder Singh, just one time talk with the Bhavani. She'll be available in this number regarding these payments and all. Okay. Yeah, Monday to Saturday class are going on, Karthik. Monday to Saturday class are going on, and if it is possible, I may conduct somewhat extra sessions on Sundays also, depending on our requirement. Where we will get recording videos, Raviteja. Raviteja will get recording videos through Google Drive. Once these registrations and everything is going on, and every day recording videos will be provided. Class timing will be. Guys, I forgot to say, up to some days of time we have to attend at 10 o'clock, but after that we have to attend at 8:30. Tomorrow I will confirm it. 8:30 to 10 o'clock I will take mainly. But first a few days of time we have to attend at like what not 10 to 11:30. But anyway, I'll give the timing and everything on tomorrow, guys. Don't worry. Timing and everything I'll give on tomorrow. Tomorrow one more demo is going on. Try to attend for it. 10 to 11:30 initial days I am going to take, but after that I will take the sessions at 8:30 to 10 due to some other schedules. Then you have to attend for it. Duration of this course and core Java it will take 2.5 to 3 months of time. A basic package and package are available. Then depending on the package, the course duration will be increased. Only core Java 2.5 to 3 months of time will take. Then I will give the plan everything on tomorrow, guys. Karthik, and everything I will discuss on tomorrow. Please try to attend for the session on tomorrow. I'll discuss everything on tomorrow. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah, placements opportunities are also be provided, guys. But it's not like a course. It's not like job guarantee program, but we'll give orientation about these jobs. And we are inviting number of companies to conduct a drives at our institute. Definitely, you may get chances to attend for interviews at Durga Sir platform. Sure. Challa, Akila. Akila, understood. We are inviting number of companies to come here and to conduct the placement drives. Even already some companies are confirmed it. Some other companies are not yet confirmed there. The definitely companies will come in future. Okay. Guys, anything else? What is the cost for this course? And Santosh, please reach out to our office regarding these payments and all, and our people will give clarity on it. Durgasoft online training at gmail.com, or else we can reach out 888-525-2627. Our people will give clarity on it. Santosh. Yeah. Anything else, guys? Anything else? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Santosh. Thanks a lot. Anything else, guys? Yeah. Guys, and we'll meet on tomorrow. Tomorrow at the same time, 10 o'clock, I will take the session. Attend for the session on tomorrow. Okay. Definitely, Abhishek. Even though you're having 5 years of time, then no problem for you. Then you'll get chances. You'll get more chances. Sure. Abhishek Kumar. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, guys. And we'll meet on tomorrow. Tomorrow I will clarify all of your doubts. If you have any doubts, then tomorrow we'll clarify all of your doubts. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot. Nitesh, and you can type the message there. I'm watching your messages and I can give reply. Nitesh Patak. Yeah, you can directly you can send the message to me. Dinamo? Okay. అవును. 3 hours అంటే ఫాస్ట్ ట్రాక్స్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ క్లాసెస్ అది ప్రెజెంట్ లేవు యాక్చువల్‌గా. అంటే రెగ్యులర్ క్లాసే ఉంటాయి. ఇంకేదైనా సరే ఫాస్ట్ అంటే మీకు అంటే కోర్ జావా ఒకటి నేర్చుకుందామా? లేకపోతే కంప్లీట్ ఫుల్ స్టాక్ ఎళ్దామనా? జావా 2 అంటే అక్కడ ఏమైపోతుందంటే కోర్ జావా నేర్చుకోవాలి. తర్వాత మీకు అడ్వాన్స్ జావా నేర్చుకోవాలి. తర్వాత ఫ్రేమ్‌వర్క్స్ డెఫినెట్‌లీ ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఏ కంపెనీ అయినా వర్క్ చేయాలంటే మినిమమ్ అప్ టు వెబ్ సర్వీసెస్ వరకు తెలియాలి జావా సైడ్. అది యాక్చువల్‌గా డిమాండ్ ఏంటంటే ప్రెజెంట్ మార్కెట్ అంతా ట్రెండింగ్ అంతా ఏంటంటే ఫుల్ స్టాక్ జావా. కోర్ జావా టు వెబ్ సర్వీసెస్ నెక్స్ట్ క్లౌడ్, టెస్టింగ్ టూల్స్ ఇవన్నీ దానిలో ఇంక్లూడ్ అయిపోతాయి. ప్రెజెంట్ మార్కెట్‌లో నడుస్తుంది అది ఆట. ఇంకా మీరు ఆల్రెడీ జాబ్ వచ్చిందంటున్నారు కాబట్టి ఎగ్జాక్ట్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ దేని మీద తెలుసుకోండి ఒకసారి. జే2ఈ అంటే చాలా ఉన్నాయి దానిలో. సర్వ్లెట్స్ అండ్ జేఎస్పీస్ వస్తాయి. నెక్స్ట్ వెబ్ సర్వీసెస్ వస్తాయి. నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసి ఈజేబీస్ వస్తాయి. ఇవన్నీ ఉన్నాయి. ఎవరు? కార్పొరేట్ ట్రైనింగ్ అంటే ఉండదండి. ఏముండదు. దానిలో మీరు నేర్చుకునేది కూడా ఏముండదు. అంతంతే ఉంటది. కానీ అంటే ఇక్కడ ఇక్కడ పాయింట్ ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ మన దగ్గరకొస్తే ఎట్లుంటదంటే కంప్లీట్‌గా స్పూన్ ఫీడింగ్ ఉంటది. రైట్ ఫ్రమ్ వెరీ జీరో లెవెల్ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయిద్ది. ఇప్పుడు ఇంకా నేను ఈరోజు ఇంకా స్టార్ట్ చేయలేదు మీకు. డిఫరెన్సెస్ బిట్వీన్ జావా అండ్ అదర్స్ దగ్గర నుంచి తీసుకొస్తాం. సిలో ఇది ఎందుకు లేదు, జావాలో ఇది ఎందుకు అన్న దగ్గర నుంచి తీసుకొస్తాం. అక్కడ నుంచి ఎక్స్‌పర్ట్ లెవెల్ ఎంతవరకు అయితే ఉంటదో మీరు ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ సింగిల్ హ్యాండ్‌గా ఎట్లా చేయగలుగుతారో అక్కడి దాకా వెళ్ళిపోతుంది మొత్తం ప్రాసెస్. అంతవరకు తీసుకెళ్తాం. అందుకని మాకు టైం తీసుకుంటది. ఆ కార్పొరేట్‌లో ఏముంది 2 డేస్ కోర్ జావా, 2 డేస్ అడ్వాన్స్ జావా అయిద్ది. అక్కడ వచ్చేది లేదు, పోయేది లేదు. అది. అంటే నేనేమంటానంటే ఇది ఎప్పటికైనా సరే నడిచేదే. ఇప్పటికైనా ఇప్పుడే రేపైనా సరే ఎల్లుండైనా మీరు అప్డేట్ అవ్వాల్సిందే. సో, ఫుల్ స్టాక్ ఒకటి పెట్టేసుకొని మార్నింగ్ స్లాట్స్ ఏమైనా ఉంటే వాటిని ఫిక్స్ చేసుకొని పెట్టుకోండి. 1 ఇయర్ వరకు లెర్నింగ్. 5 మంత్స్, 6 మంత్స్ లెర్నింగ్ పెట్టుకోండి. ఇది ఒక పక్క అయితా ఉంటది. ఒక పక్క మీ వర్క్ ఏదో జరుగుతా ఉంటది. ఒక టైమ్ వచ్చేసరికి మీ నాలెడ్జ్‌తో ఆటోమేటిక్‌గా మీ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్‌ని కంప్లీట్ చేయగలుగుతారు. ఇమ్మీడియేట్‌గా ఏదైనా ఒక 1 మంత్‌లో, 1 ½ మంత్‌లో కోర్ జావా కంప్లీట్ అంటే అసలు నా దగ్గర సొల్యూషన్ అసలు చిక్కదు మీకు. సిట్యుయేషన్ అదే. అందుకనే కదా! అందుకనే ఇక్కడ క్లాసెస్‌కొచ్చేది మ్యాక్స్ చాలా మంది అట్లా వస్తారు. కాకపోతే స్టాండర్డ్ వేలో నేర్చుకుంటారు ఇప్పుడైనా సరే. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నేను చెప్తా. మీకు మళ్ళీ ఇట్లానే ఇదే ప్రాసెస్‌కెళ్ళి అక్కడ మహా అయితే వారంలో కంప్లీట్ చేస్తారు జావా. నా దగ్గర ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫాస్ట్ ట్రాక్ అంటున్నారు కాబట్టి ఒక 1 మంత్‌లో కంప్లీట్ చేస్తా. 1 మంత్‌లో ఏం నేర్చుకుంటారు? ఏం వెళ్తారు మీరు? మళ్ళీ సేమ్ సిట్యుయేషన్ వస్తుంది. 1 మంత్‌లో నేను ఇచ్చాననుకోండి 2 ½ మంత్ పక్కా పట్టిద్దండి. 2 ½ మంత్ మినిమమ్ పట్టిద్ది. ఎందుకంటే నేను అప్పుడు జావా 18 వర్షన్ వరకు చెప్పాలి మీకు. ఎక్కడ? అయిపోయింది. ఓకే. టైమింగ్ ఏంటి మీకక్కడ? 8:30 అంటే మార్నింగా? ఎక్కడ మీకు ఆఫీస్ టైమింగ్సా? మరి ఈ క్లాసెస్ ఎట్లా వచ్చారు మరిప్పుడు? అచ్చా! అచ్చా! ఆన్‌లైన్‌లో జరుగుతున్నాయా ట్రైనింగు? ఓకే. ఓకే. ఇప్పుడు ఈ బ్యాచ్‌కొచ్చేసరికి మీకేమైద్దంటే ఇది కొన్ని రోజులు నేను 10:00 తీసుకుంటాను యాక్చువల్‌గా. మేబీ ఒక 1 వీక్ టు 10 డేస్ తీసుకుంటాను. తర్వాత నేను 8:30-10 తీసుకుంటా మీకిది క్లాసు. తర్వాత అడ్వాన్స్ ఇవన్నీ కూడా 7-8:30కి వస్తాయి మార్నింగ్. 7-8:30 అడ్వాన్స్ అవన్నీ వస్తాయి. ఈ కోర్ జావా బ్యాచ్ అంటే ఈరోజు నేను ఒక షెడ్యూల్ లేక నేను ఒక 4 ఆర్ 5 డేస్ 8:30-10, 10-11:30 తీసుకుంటాను. కొన్ని రోజులైన తర్వాత 8:30-10 తీసుకుంటా ఇది. 7-8:30 ఇంకా కొన్ని రోజులైన తర్వాత అడ్వాన్స్ 7-8:30 జరుగుద్ది. అట్లా కోర్సెస్ వెళ్ళిపోతా ఉంటాయి. వన్ బై వన్, వన్ బై వెళ్ళిపోతా ఉంటాయి. అంటే ఈ ఈ టైమింగ్స్ వచ్చేసరికి మార్నింగ్ 7-10 అట్లా పెట్టేసుకోవచ్చు. ఈ 2 క్లాస్ అడ్వాన్స్ జావా అండ్ కోర్ జావా ఇట్లా నడుస్తూనే ఉంటాయి. అది అడ్వాన్స్ జావా ఎమ్మటే స్టార్ట్ చేయను. ఇంకొన్ని రోజులైన తర్వాత స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాను. బేసిక్స్ అంతా అయిపోవాలి జావా. అర్థం కాదు. కోర్ జావా కావాలి కంపల్సరీ. అందుకనే నేను మొత్తుకొని చెప్తాను మీకు జేడీఎస్ఈ కావాలి, జేడీఎస్ఈ కావాలని చెప్పి దానికోసం. తప్పదు. ప్యారలల్ నేర్చుకోవాలి. మళ్ళీ టైం ఎక్కువ తీసుకుంటది. కోర్ జావా ఎప్పుడైతే ఊప్స్ అయిపోతదో అంటే ఆన్ అరౌండ్ ఒక 40 డేస్ అనుకోండి కోర్ జావాలో. అయిపోయిన తర్వాత అడ్వాన్స్ జావా స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాం. అడ్వాన్స్ జావా నేర్చుకోవాలి. అయితేనే మీకు ట్రాక్‌లో ఉంటారు. కంప్లీట్ కోర్ జావా అయిపోయిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ అడ్వాన్స్ జావా నేర్చుకోవాలంటే మళ్ళీ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఉంటది. డ్యూరేషన్ ఎక్కువ తీసుకుంటది. ప్లస్ ఇంకో ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఏంటంటే బేసిక్స్ మర్చిపోతారు కోర్ జావాయి మళ్ళీ. అడ్వాన్స్ జావాకెళ్ళేదలకి. మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ ప్రాబ్లమ్ అయితది. అడ్వాన్స్ జావా స్టార్ట్ అయిపోద్ది. ప్లాన్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. Right guys and Ravi Teja and just wait, I'm from Punjab not getting you. Govinder Singh. What you are asking, I clarified your doubt already. Any fast trackers for full stack? Let me know, Ravi Teja. Full stack Java fast track is not yet available at present, no? Maybe the normal tracks are available at present, Ravi Teja. Okay. And Gurvinder Singh and what you are asking, class timing will be. Yeah, that's what I'm telling there. And tomorrow I will clarify this timing there. But up to few days after, I will take it 10 to 11:30. After that, I will conduct this class at 8:30 to 10 o'clock. That is confirmed. But today I forgot to specify that. Tomorrow, at least tomorrow, I will give information to you. Okay, Gurvinder. Yeah, I completed my bachelor in the CSC. I did not get any job, but now I want to get job. Definitely, Gurvinder Singh, and through Durga platform, you will get job. Don't worry. Yeah, if you understand these courses clearly, if you know these courses clearly, very much clearly, definitely you are going to understand, you are going to get job. Durgasoft success rate is 80%. For every 100 members, 80 members will get job. Sure. But you have to follow clearly each and every point. What we are discussing inside the class and everything, if you follow, then you will get job, sure. Okay, thank you. Anything else, guys? Anything else, guys? Guys, shall we meet on tomorrow? Don't miss the tomorrow session. Please attend for the tomorrow session. I'll give more and more about the tomorrow session. Okay, guys, and this is a contact number to our office. Nitish, this is a contact number to our office. Yes, you can contact. Bhavan is the contact person for that. Okay. Thank you, guys. We'll meet on tomorrow. Tomorrow at 10 o'clock. Everybody has to come. Then I'll give more clarity on tomorrow's session. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot. We'll meet on tomorrow. Sir told me to join this class, but actually I took basic Java package, and this in this class you explain the same as in demo of core Java. Tusif Ahmad. Basic Java package includes core Java, right? Tausif Ahmad. Basic Java includes core Java. Then you can think of it as a core Java demo class, part of the basic Java. Anyway, at least come for tomorrow's class, you will get more clarity. Tausif, tomorrow's class. In tomorrow's class, I'll explain everything about these basic packages, complete Java package, and everything. I'll explain tomorrow. Okay, you will get more clarity on tomorrow. Don't worry. Attend tomorrow's session, you'll get more clarity. Right. Anything else, guys? Shall we meet on tomorrow? Shall we meet on tomorrow? Say, if all of you say yes, then I'll quit from webinar. Please, all of you guys say yes, then I'll quit. Yeah, thank you. Thanks to all. Okay, thanks. And tomorrow we'll see, and tomorrow we'll meet. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot.